Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've been here before, thank you for watching. If you're new, welcome. Today I'll be installing my second wig. I really want to learn how to install wigs because I believe they are much gentler on the hair than placing braids or twists. I purchased a wig from Amazon and it is from the original Queen line, I believe. And in the box it contains a wig cap, a flyer, and this flyer offers you $5 off if you share a picture or write a review on Amazon. And if you share the picture on Facebook or Instagram, they give you $10 off. And if you share a video on Facebook or YouTube, you get $15 off, as you can see here. If it'll focus in, I don't know. And the wig that I purchased here from Amazon is a 13 by 14 lace front wig. This is what it's looking like here. I already pre-washed it and cleaned it and moisturized it with some leave-in conditioner by Tgin. Is leave-in conditioner Miracle Repair Protective Leave-in Conditioner, which is this right here. I don't know if you can see that. And I sealed it in with my hair and scalp essential oils blend from my hair product line here. Let's focus. Put this head down. Focus. And if you're interested in buying any hair and body cream or hair oil from my website, you could reach it. You could look for it, not reach it. You can look for it on Etsy.com/shop/Biacity. That's BIASITY. So this is what the wig looks like on the inside. It has one comb here in the back, one comb here in the back. It has two combs on the side, on the inside of the wig here, and one comb in the front. It has lace. The lace, this is what the lace looks like in the front. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. I have already pre-plucked the hairline, even though it comes with a pre-plucked hairline. I didn't quite like the way it looked, but I plucked it a little bit more. Alright, and it has a little lace here in the back. Now, what I'm going to do is place a wig grip on the outer rim of my head, but first, before I do that, I'm going to apply some liquid foundation on the outer perimeter of my wig cap. This time, just place just a little bit and smooth that out on the brush. I really do not know what I'm doing, so this is only my second time. You'll be experiencing this with me to see how I get it the second time around. Hopefully I will do better than I did the first time. I've been trying to watch some wig installation videos. They make it look so easy. trying to do it yourself. Now, put a little bit more. I don't want to put too much like I did before the first time when I installed. You can check out how that video went down below near the description box. Alright, I think that's enough. Now I'm going to place the wig grip on. I'm having such a hard time. So I do what I know. Alright. Place this on just like so. There. Alright, now I got that on. So the scissors I'll be using today will be some jagged scissors that are usually used for cutting clothing. I don't know if you can see that right there. And some straight scissors to cut the lace from behind my ear. I don't know if I'm going to use the Got To Be glue, styling spiking glue, or the Got To Be glued spray, freeze spray, but we'll see. I'm going to try the wig on first. I think I need to pull the wig cap back and the wig grip further back. Do that. Yeah, I need to pull this further back. You see it through the lace. Alright. Got the wig on. This is what the hairline is looking like after I somewhat plucked it myself. Whatnot. See, so you can see it. That's what it's looking like. Alright, so my ear's here. My finger across the back of where my ear is so I can know where I need to cut the lace. So my ear's right here. I made a little part so I can see it a little bit better. I'll clip this to this side. The hair away. I think I'm gonna cut that. Get the straight scissors, hold this down, and cut where I've made the little part. And there that goes. That lays there and good. Same thing on this side for the ear. And clip this away. Now just remember, I do not know what I'm doing. I do not know what I'm doing. And I'm gonna hold this down and go behind my ear once more. Cut that off. And there that goes. And I'm gonna unclip the hair there. So that's how that's looking there. Here, behind the ear here. I might have cut a little bit too much there. But now that it's cut, I have to work with it. That's that. Now I'm not going to cut the hairline with the wig on, so I'm going to take it off. And then I'm going to cut the hairline without the wig being in place. Now I'm going to use the jagged scissors and cut this excess lace off. I don't know if you guys can see that. Get up closer. There. Now that's all cut off. I know you guys like to know how the lace is pretty little stiff, but not quite that stiff. And it's sturdy. Now I'm going to cut the back lace portion off of the wig. Now I'm done with that. Okay. Now that I didn't cut the excess lace off, I am going to place the wig back on. And this is what the lace is looking like after I cut it. I think to lay down the lace a little bit, I'm going to use the Got To Be glue. The Got To Be glue styling spiking glue. Place down the lace. Now I'm just going to clip this portion of the hair away. My hair clip. And I'm going to use my finger to place the glue there. Just a little bit this time. I'm not gonna go crazy with it. No, I don't think I know I placed too much of this on last time, and I got it everywhere. So most definitely not gonna do that same mistake again. Repeat the same mistake. Alright, now I'm just going to place the lace down in place where I want it to lay. The hair stay in place. And bring this down and hold it. In place. Place here. Turn it to my blow dryer to cold and turn it on high. Alright, so I'm gonna put a satin scarf and let this sit for like 15 minutes, and hopefully these sides, these stubborn sides here and whatever else will sit into place. I'm praying they will sit into place. Okay. Now I'm going to take my scarf and fold it into a strip. Now I folded my scarf into a little strip. I'm going to lay this across here, and hopefully within 15 minutes or so, this lace will lay down the way it's supposed to. I'm hoping and praying that it does. I hope it does. Fingers crossed. Alright guys, so I'm going to let this just sit and then we'll see how this turns out, okay? Until then. Alright guys, so I want to get me something to eat and let this set for a little bit. So let's see what's going on underneath. It's only been like, I'll say about 5 minutes. And this is what it's looking like afterwards. It's looking all pasty, and the sides are not laying down. Are not laying down. Okay. I'll wet it a little bit. So I'm not going to put any more leave-in conditioner or oil in it. Just putting the water will reactivate the leave-in that I placed in it. So this is what the wig is looking like after I'm done. This is the finished look. I'm going to readjust my camera and I'll show you what everything looks like. So this, I consider this a fail because I wasn't able to melt no lace. So I don't think wigs are meant for me. So I'll be primarily during the winter time wearing my stocking cap and just braiding my hair back. But anyway, let me show you the full length of the wig, and I'm going to readjust my camera. Alright guys, so this is what the wig is looking like. It's 150 density. It is 20 inches long. This is what it's looking like from the front. This is what it's looking like from the left side. This is what it looks like from the back. This is what it looks like from the right. And here I am back to the front. So thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye.